Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this NEEWER universal phone cage mount. So we get these two little handles. We got little Allen wrenches that are stored in the handles. We got two different sizes right there. Here I've got a Samsung S24 Ultra, and I have an iPhone 8 Pro Max. These both fit in there really nice. And you simply just screw that down. Make sure you don't get the power button in the clamp. But there, I can clamp it in. Now I can put these handles on. I can mount these handles any which way. These are several different spots I can put them on. Same with over here. And if I really want to tighten those down, I can take that Allen screw and put it in that hole and get it tight. But it's got a little knurled section. I can really tighten it down, but I can move these handles up or down. Those are Allen wrench screws. So again, let's take the Allen wrench out, and again I can loosen those, and I can tighten them down wherever I want. And there's the handle. Let's do some measurements real quick. So overall length 15 inches, about 5.5. The handles 4.5. Thickness wise, they're about 1.75 inches. Again, all kinds of places to put. I got cold shoe mounts up here, down below. I can move the handles. Let's put the Samsung phone in. There's like these gripper pads in there. Yeah, nice. I like it a lot. And I could go vertical with it too. I could put the handles on the sides also. And in this handle, there's another little Allen screw. I can even move the clamp. So this clamp here, I can move it left or right a little bit. Not a whole bunch, but a little bit. You know, looks like about 1 inch of total movement. Oh, 4 inches. Let's go to the maximum opening. There. Maximum opening, about 3.75. And again, I can put these on the sides. Really nice for a vertical shoot. There. Let's do left to right there, 11 inches. So many possibilities with this. I hope this video helps. Ooh, we even got cold shoes in the handles. I just now noticed that. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.